Do you know that data scientists with more than 10 years of experience can easily earn 60 lakh rupees in India? The salaries in data science are much higher than salaries for other IT professions. So, in today's video, let's find out what exactly is the salary range for data scientists based on their years of experience. Hi, my name is Rohit. I am ex-chief data scientist of Barclays, and I have compiled this salary data based on my personal network as well as information available on websites like Glassdoor, Indeed, and other salary websites. So let's get into details. So before getting into salary range, let's find out which companies are always hiring for data science talent. So companies like Fractal Analytics, Mu Sigma, they are always hiring for data science talent. Then the consulting companies like PwC, McKinsey, they are looking for data science talent as well, because most of the consulting companies, they get open-ended problem statements where they have to solve business problem of their customers using the data. So they need data scientists to solve those business problems. Then all the big companies like Facebook, Amazon, Google, they cannot function without data scientists because their products are completely powered by data and data science and AI. So they need data scientists to work on their products. Then all the big banks like Barclays, Citibank, then BNY Mellon, they need data scientists to build intelligent products and applications on the financial data. All the Indian IT companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, they need data scientists because there is a demand for data scientists they get from their customers. So in general, most of the big companies as well as the startups, they are hiring for data scientists all the time because this is the profession where person can actually have impact on the business by using data and building intelligent algorithms on top of those. So now let's find out the salary range for data scientists. So for the data scientists with experience 0 to 2 years, the salary range is in the range of 5 lakh to 15 lakh while working in India. This range really shifts to the higher level once you gain experience. So for people having experience in the range of 2 to 5 years, this range is from 15 lakh to 35 lakh. As you grow in this particular field and start leading a team and have experience in the range of 5 to 10 years, your salary can easily go from 35 lakh to 60 lakh rupees. Now, if you ask me the number of opportunities, I would say the number of opportunities are really high in this particular area, specifically if you are an experienced data scientist. For beginners, obviously there are opportunities, but you really have to put efforts to crack those interviews and get those opportunities. But this is the area where if you put efforts, you would get returns on it because the salaries are really, really high. So for people who are having more than 10 years of experience, they are leading data science units or they are leading the data science teams across organization or in particular business unit. They can easily demand something more than 60 lakh. And these are salaries while working in India. You don't have to even go outside India to earn such a high salary. And this is completely based on my knowledge as well as the information available on Glassdoor and Indeed. You can go and check on those websites. These numbers again are average numbers. So it might happen that you actually end up getting much more than this if you get into companies like say Amazon, Google or Facebook, because those companies pay like anything. Then these salaries also depend on location. So specifically for locations like Bangalore or Mumbai, the salaries are much on higher side than the numbers which I have displayed. Okay. So if you are looking for opportunity where you can really work on data, you have interest in working on data and getting those insights, building the predictive models, then obviously this is the area where you can work on something that you like and at the same time you can make really, really good money. And this is the growing field. So the opportunities would only keep increasing from here on with the rise of AI. So I hope you got clarity on the compensation for data scientists based on their experience. In the next video, we will find out why data scientists are getting high salary. Okay. What's the reason? What's driving these higher salaries? So let's find out in the next video. Bye bye.